keep all your ideas to yourself. If you got any money, save it. Like to do. You like going to the movies, go. Forget about the COVID and all of this other stuff, monkeypox or whatever else. Just go and enjoy it.
At what point did you feel content with your understanding of the world? At what point did you feel
defensive coordinator who moved on to the pros, Ligashevsky who moved on to the pros, and who else? They want to know if you engaged. They want to know if you broke up in your relationship. They want to know if you're doing good. They want to know if you're doing bad. Or be with me is just talk, just fluff, passing the time for them just like they do, scrolling past social media. Hello everyone, this is Carl Sneezy. He got over 350 subscribers. And he's climbing, doing everything he can. That's very positive. Just got to keep pushing. So I'm very proud of my children. I'm very proud of my playing career. What are some things you feel like you have accomplished? Have an impact in your life in any way, shape, form, or fashion. So I would tell people to watch your emotions for the most part. Okay, well, if it was something that you wanted people to know, what would you tell them? Some advice? What would anything that you would give them? Nothing at all. I don't think anybody want to know anything about me. So what is something you think people want to know?